Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing on the applications of operational amplifier. Here is the content of the topics on which we'll be discussing today's video. Firstly, we'll discuss about the introduction to operational amplifiers, followed by inverting amplifiers, non-inverting amplifiers, summing amplifiers, differential amplifiers, and finally the conclusion. Introduction to operational amplifiers. Operational amplifiers, or op-amps in short, are one of the most important components in modern electronics. They are used in a wide range of applications, from audio amplifiers to signal processing circuits. Op-amps are essentially high-gain voltage amplifiers that can amplify signals with very little distortion. They have two input terminals, an inverting input and a non-inverting input, and one output terminal. The output voltage is proportional to the difference between the two input voltages. Inverting amplifiers. An inverting amplifier is a type of operational amplifier circuit where the output signal is the opposite polarity of the input signal. This means that if the input signal is positive, the output signal will be negative and vice versa. The gain of an inverting amplifier is determined by the ratio of the feedback resistor to the input resistor. Inverting amplifiers have many practical applications in electronics, such as audio amplification, signal conditioning, and voltage regulation. They are also commonly used in instrumentation and control systems where precise signal amplification is required. Non-inverting amplifiers. Non-inverting amplifiers are a type of operational amplifier circuit that provides an output that is in phase with the input signal. The input signal is applied to the non-inverting terminal while the inverting terminal is connected to ground. The gain of the amplifier is determined by the ratio of the feedback resistor to the input resistor and can be calculated using the formula 1 plus R2 by R1. Non-inverting amplifiers have several practical applications in electronic circuits such as audio amplifiers and voltage followers. They are also commonly used in signal processing applications where the signal needs to be amplified without changing its phase relationship. Summing amplifiers. Summing amplifiers are the type of operational amplifier circuits that combines multiple input signals into a single output signal. They are commonly used in audio mixing consoles and other applications where multiple signals need to be combined. The basic design of a summing amplifier involves connecting each input signal to a separate resistor with all resistors connected to a common junction point. The output signal is then taken from this junction point with the gain of the amplifier determined by the values of the resistors. By adjusting the values of the resistors, it is possible to control the mix of the input signals and create complex output waveforms. Differential amplifiers. A differential amplifier is a type of amplifier that amplifies the difference between two input signals. They are commonly used in electronic circuits to amplify small signals such as those from sensors or microphones. The differential amplifier consists of two inputs and one output. The input signals are applied to the non-inverting and inverting inputs, and the amplified difference between the two signals is present at the output. Differential amplifiers are often used in operational amplifier circuits where they can be used to amplify signals while rejecting common mode noise. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the fundamental concepts of operational amplifiers and their practical applications in electronics. From inverting and non-inverting amplifiers to summing and differential amplifiers, these devices play a critical role in modern electronic circuits. Operational amplifiers are used in a wide range of applications, from audio processing and signal conditioning to control systems and instrumentation. As such, understanding their function and operation is essential for anyone working in the field of electronics. So in this video, we have discussed on the topics Introduction to operational amplifiers, inverting amplifiers, non-inverting amplifiers, summing amplifier, differential amplifiers, and finally the conclusion. Thank you.